our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with quantitative aptitude. This is your class 160. We had done 158 classes. In the last session we had, even though started with the arithmetical ability, that is a part 1 of quantitative aptitude. We are on 15th topic, that is your time and work. Before that we had done your 14 topics in quantitative aptitude with important questions that has been important for you all. You can go for the same if you had not visited yet. Yes, you will find it out each and every video there as well. So stay tuned with us, and please, before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Let's start with the question. And the question, lastly we had done your 34th question. Today we're gonna start with your 35th question here. So the questions we have here, the question is: Sakshi can do a piece of work in 20 days. Tanya is 25% more efficient than Sakshi. The number of days taken by Tanya to do the same work or piece of work is. This has been asked in hotel management question paper. The options were 15, 16, 18 and 25. Let's find it out. So here we go. Sakshi can do a piece of work in 20 days. Tanya is 25% more. And that is your Tanya is 25 more efficient than Sakshi. The number of days taken by Tanya to do the same piece of work is. This has been asked in hotel management. So now the options we have, as I told you, is 15, 16, 18 and 25. We'll go for the same. So that we have as follows: ratio of time taken by Sakshi and Tanya So here for the same, the time taken by Sakshi and Tanya equals to 125/100, which is 5/4. So suppose Tanya takes X days to do the work, 5/4, 20/x, x/4 into 20 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, and 4 fours are, so x equals to 16 days that we get here. So hence Tanya takes 16 days to complete the work. Now we're gonna start with the next question, that has been 36th question of the session, and the question we have as follows. A is 30% more efficient than B. How much time will they working together take to complete a job which A alone could have done in 23 days? This has also been asked in the hotel management question paper, and then the options for the same we have 11 days, 13 days, 23 by 17 days, and none of these. Let's find it out the solution for the same. Let's go for it, and that the question we have is the 36th question of the session. We go for 36th question. So A is 30% more efficient than B. How much time will they working together take to complete a job which A alone could have done in 23 days. This has been asked in hotel management question paper. So the options for the same is 11 days, 13 days, 23 by 17 days, and none of these. So here we go for the solution. Let's find it out. Ratio of times taken by A and B equals to 100 ratio 130, which is 10 ratio 30. Suppose B takes X days to do the work. Then ratio 13, 23 ratio X, which is X equals to 23 into 13 upon 10. That is X equals to 299 upon 10. A is 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 23. B is 1 day's work equals to 10 upon 299. So A plus B's and day's work equals to 1 upon 23 plus 10 upon 299 equals to 23 upon 299 equals to 1 upon 13. So A and B together can complete the job in 30 days. Now we talk for the next one, which is being the another one, and that is the another question we talk here. So that has been the 37th question of the session. The question we have: A does half as much work as B in 3/4 of the time. If together they take 18 days to complete the work, how much time shall B take to do it? So the options were 30 days, 35 days, 40 days, and none of these. So we go for the same. A does half as much work as B in 3/4 of the time. If together they take 18 days to complete the work, how much time shall be take to do it? Options were 30 days, 35 days, 40 days, and none of these. So here we go to find it out. Suppose B takes X days to do the work. A takes 2 into 3 by 4x, which is 3x by 2 days to do it. A plus B's 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 13, 1 upon x plus 2 upon 3x equals to 1 upon 18, or x equals to 30. Now we go for the next one. So on the same way we'll talk about 38 question. The 38 question we have: A is 50% as efficient as B. C does half of the work done by A and B together. If C alone does the work in 40 days, then A, B, C together can do the work in. Options were 13, 1 by 3 days, 15 days, 20 days, and 30 days. So let's go for the same. A is 50% as efficient as B. C does half of the work done by A and B together. If C alone does the work, if C alone does the work in 40 days, then A, B, C together can do the work is in. The options were the same for this 13 1 by 3 days, 15 days, 20 days and 30 days. So we go for the same and we'll find it out here. So with the same we go here and we'll find it out the solution for the same. Let's go for the solution. A is 1 day's work ratio B is 1 day's work equals to 150 ratio 100, and that will give you 3:2. So let A's and B's 1 day's work be 3x and 2x respectively. So with the same, here we go, that is been. Then C's 1 day's work equals to 3x plus 2x upon 2, that is 2 plus 5x upon 2. So here we go. So with the same we have your C's 1 day's work, we had find it out, and now in the same way 5x by 2 equals to 1 upon 40, or x equals to 1 upon 40 into 2 by 5, which is equals to 1 upon 100. So A's first day's work equals to 3 upon 100. B's 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 50, and C's 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 40. So A plus B plus C's 1 day's work equals to 3 upon 100 plus 1 upon 50 plus 1 upon 40 equals to 15 upon 200, which will give you 3 upon 40. So A, B and C together can do the work in 40 by 3, which is 13 1 by 3 days. Now we go for the next one, which will be the another important question, and that will be the 40th question. Ninth question of the session that we have to discuss here, so we go for the same. 39th question we have. The question is, two workers A and B working together completed a job in 5 days. If A worked twice as efficiently as he actually did and B worked 1/3 as efficiently as he actually did, the work would have been completed in 3 days. A alone could complete the work. The options were the 5 1 by 4 days, 6 1 by 4 days, 7 1 by 2 days, and none of these. So we go for the same. Two workers A and B working together completed a job in 5 days. If A worked twice as efficiently as he actually did, and B worked 1/3 as efficiently as he actually did, the work would have been completed in 3 days. A alone could complete the work in so we go for the same. Here we go. Let A's 1 day's work equals to X and B's 1 day's work equals to I. Then X plus Y equals to 1/5 and 2X plus 1/3Y equals to 1/3. Solving, we get X equals to 4/25 and Y equals to 1/25. So A's 1 day's work equals to 4/25. So A alone could complete the work in 25/4, which is 6 1/4 days. Now we talk about for the next one, which has been the another important one, and that is the 40th question of the session. Let's figure it out. Talk about the 40th question. The 40th question is, A can do a work in 15 days and B in 20 days. If they work on it together for 4 days, then the fraction of the work that is left is, this has been asked in SSC examination paper. The options were 1 by 4, 1 by 10, 7 by 15, 8 by 15 here. This question has been asked in SSC examination paper. The options, as I told you, let's find out the solution. A can do a work in 15 days and B in 20 days if they work on it together for 4 days, then the fraction of the work that is left is, this has been asked in SSC. So let's find out the solution. So A is 1 day's work. Equals to 1 by 15. B is 1 day's work equals to 1 by 20. So A plus B's work, 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20 plus, that is, will give you 7 upon 60. With the same, the further we go, A plus B's 4 days work equals to 7 upon 60 into 4, which will be 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 4 ones are 4, and 2 left, 4 5s are 27 upon 15. So remaining work equals to 1 minus 7 upon 15. We take as an LCM, 15 minus 7, that has been 8 upon 15. That will be the right answer for this question. Now we're gonna end up with here only, and we'll discuss the rest of the questions in the next coming class, which will be the class which we'll discuss is your 161th class of the session, from the 141th question of the session as well. So here we're going to end up with, other than your quantitative aptitude, we had done your reasoning, where we had completed your verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. Coming towards chemistry, so yes, we had done for class 11 part 1 chemistry, and now we are dealing with organic chemistry, that is of part 2. And physics part 1 we are dealing, where we had completed a physical world. We are on units and measurement. Now coming towards, we are dealing with database management system. We had started with your English vocabulary, the ER diagrams, as well as many more that we have to cover up here. Coming towards quantitative aptitude, this has also been divided into 2 sections, which has been the arithmetical ability and the data interpretation. In arithmetical ability, we had done your numbers, SCF and LCF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square root and cube root, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, as and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, and then we have your chain rule, time and work, pi consistent, time and distance, problems on train, boards and streams, allegations or mixture, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clock, stocks and shares, permutations and combinations, probability to discount, bankers discount, height and distance, odd man odd series, interpretation, that is your tabulations, bar graphs, pie charts, and line graphs. So here we're gonna end up with. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.